I thought this was a really deep conversation. Check this out and tell me what you think.
I had a conversation with a friend one day, and we was talking about family and life, and I asked him, how do you see your kid's future? And he said to me, my grandfather walked 10 miles to work every day. My father walked 5. I'm driving a Cadillac. My son is in a Mercedes. He said my grandson will be in a Ferrari. But he said my great-grandson will be walking again. So I asked him, I said, well, why is that? And he said to me, tough times create strong men. Strong men create easy times. Easy times create weak men. Weak men create tough times. He said to me, many will not understand, but you have to raise warriors.
Guys, tell me what you think about this. Man, this was pretty deep, and the way the world is going today, looks like we're heading in that direction. All right, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.